It's morning here. I'm gonna do some training here at this park. There's some gates in here. I like to go around them or through them. Let's do it. I like to do some slow speed. Especially in training. Somebody looking at my drone right now. I don't wanna. Oh my god. Especially seniors, they thinking that it's not legal to fly the drone here. So they're gonna come to talk to you. Oh my god. And he's standing. To there or left, or he went to call cops maybe. I don't know. Field closed. Okay. Oh, this is the guy. As I said in the last video, I have this drone for almost 1.5 months. Okay, there's some people playing. You gotta be careful here. Okay. Yeah, manual mode is more fun, but it's not easy. When I hear some noise around me, I like to bring my drone back to look at. Oh, this is what's happened. Okay, thank you. Because I was looking at the people around me. I feel I'm good. When I say good, I'm not professional. Like, I can't fly drone. This is what I mean. I know some people, they don't even call themselves like a pro level. They call themselves like God level, God's level, for real, or God's mood. Oh my God. Can I do this? Oh, wow, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's good. Every time I go through something, like the gate, I keep laying down my head. Is that normal? Please write in the comments. Yeah, like this. Very good. Oh my God. When you fly your drone in very low speed like this, the battery will last for almost, I'm gonna say like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. See, it has been like maybe 10 minutes since I started recording, and I still have 10 minutes more. But if I go crazy right now, like super fast, it's gonna give me like 2 minutes more. No. I'm just training. Take a look around and see what I have. I don't need any problem. I'm gonna stay away from people. You know, some people can come as, hey, it's not safe. Hey, you're not supposed to do this. Is it legal? No. It is legal. Come on. See? That's why warming up is very important when it comes to the FPV drones. I feel like my fingers now, it's very smooth. Okay, people, they started to come. Next time I'm gonna come like more like early, like 1 hour or 2 hours. I don't like this one. I broke my drone here last time. Yeah, I broke it. Hey, what's up? Very weak when it comes for circles, like go around something in circles like donuts. I keep my finger in the brake button in case anything happened. No, be careful. Yeah, let's go do some circles around this sign in here. I feel like it's not easy. I don't know. See? Yeah, I feel like, yeah, I need training. That's it. Yeah, of course I need some training. Just I want to be close to the object. Oh, battery level is low. Okay, let's come back. And let's finish our video for today. Okay, people, they just started to come. I don't want to annoy anybody here. Right. That's it for today, guys. I don't know why I keep like bending my neck like that. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you.